Portofino reminds me of great classic Italian cooking. It's made in one pan and tastes fantastic. We start with a boneless, skinless chicken breast on the cutting board and butterfly it. Cover the chicken with plastic wrap and pound it thin with a meat mallet. If you don't have a meat mallet, use a wine bottle. It works perfect. Okay, remove the plastic wrap, sprinkle the chicken with salt and pepper, and dredge it in flour. Saute the chicken in olive oil. Cook the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. Remove the chicken from the fry pan, put in a baking pan, and then add diced red onions and chopped garlic. We're going to add sliced mushrooms. Top the chicken breast with a couple slices of ham and the mushroom mixture. Top with a couple slices of Swiss cheese. And we're going to put this under the broiler until it turns golden brown and gorgeous. And for the sauce, add a little olive oil to the pan, some red onion, chopped garlic, and sun-dried tomatoes. Now we're going to deglaze the pan with a little marsala wine. The steam from the wine will dissolve all the particles and make the sauce taste awesome. And then we're going to finish the sauce with a chunk of butter. Right now, pour the sauce over the chicken. This is chicken Portofino. Doesn't that look killer? I'm Peter Harmon.